What if we started digging straight down, all the way to the center of the Earth? Before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more powerful facts like this. At first, it might sound simple. Just dig deeper and deeper. But in reality, humans have barely scratched the surface of our planet. The deepest hole ever dug is only about 12 kilometers. That may sound like a lot, but compared to Earth's total depth of over 6,000 kilometers, it's almost nothing. So the journey to the core is not just difficult, it's extreme. As you go deeper, temperature rises rapidly. Pressure increases beyond anything we normally experience. The deeper you go, the more dangerous it becomes. And this is just the beginning. Because once you pass the surface layer of Earth, everything starts to change completely. As you dig deeper, you first pass through the Earth's crust. This is the outer layer where we live. It may feel solid and stable, but it's actually very thin compared to the rest of the planet. Below the crust lies the mantle, a massive layer that makes up most of Earth. Here, things start to get intense. Temperatures rise to hundreds and then thousands of degrees. Rocks are no longer completely solid. They behave more like slow-moving material. Digging through this layer wouldn't be like cutting through normal ground. It would be like pushing through extremely hot, dense material under pressure. The deeper you go, the harder it becomes to even continue. Machines would struggle to survive these conditions. And yet, this is still not the most extreme part of Earth, because deeper inside, something even more powerful exists. As you go further down, pressure becomes one of the biggest challenges. Every layer above pushes down with incredible force. At extreme depths, pressure becomes so high that it can crush materials and equipment. Even the strongest drilling machines would not be able to function normally. At the same time, temperature continues to rise. It becomes hot enough to melt most materials. This combination of heat and pressure makes it nearly impossible to continue digging. Even if technology improves, these conditions push beyond current limits. And remember, you are still not at the core yet. The closer you get, the more extreme everything becomes. Because the center of the Earth is unlike anything we experience on the surface. Finally, deep inside the Earth lies the core. It is divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is made of molten metal, mostly iron and nickel in liquid form. This layer is constantly moving and plays a role in Earth's magnetic field. Deeper still is the inner core. Despite extremely high temperatures, it remains solid due to immense pressure. The heat here is comparable to the surface of the sun. Reaching this point is not just difficult, it is beyond current human capability. No machine today can survive such conditions. And even if we could reach it, the journey itself would be incredibly dangerous. So, can we ever dig to the center of the Earth? Based on current science and technology, the answer is no. The combination of extreme heat makes it nearly impossible. Crushing pressure also prevents any straightforward descent. And unstable materials would collapse any tunnel we tried to make. Even our deepest drilling attempts have only reached a tiny fraction of Earth's depth. This shows how vast and complex our planet really is. There are still many things we don't fully understand about what lies beneath us. The idea of reaching the core may sound simple. In reality, it's one of the most challenging things imaginable. And that's what makes Earth so fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more amazing facts.